specific bike with a friend riding a specific bike with damage, you literally just doxed yourself. Here we go. Moving through here, CRISPR Dad. We're going to go straight on a green light. There's going to be a side of the vehicle. They're going to have to go into our lane because of the bus, and we should have anticipated that, and we are good to go with good braking. Pretty easy to do on a 50cc scooter. All right. Oh, we're going to do something about it, aren't we? So we're just going to skip you. Yeah, let's just go ahead. You should have saw it too. All right, Yamaha FZ09 in Indiana. Dylan, you're having a fun time moving around up and down. Are we going to do some wheelies? We're moving over so that person can power wheelie? Okay. See, that's just the feeling that a lot of people get. Lots of speed, going really fast, 90 miles an hour in town. There's the side of the vehicle, side of the Jeep. We're just, a Ruroc helmet's not going to protect you.
Hey, she's pissed. She's pissed. Watch, she's about to holler. Ready? This lady.
I love buying a $500-something helmet that is very uncomfortable and makes a lot of noise. That's called a Ruroc. 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, she's calling in.
She's going to call it in.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so that's going to be your own problem. That's your emergency, not mine. No incident here. Whoa, we got a broken mirror within 5 seconds. Let's see what happened. Somebody else take over. I don't want it. She's gonna call it in. She already got your stuff, and now you broke her mirror. Dylan FZ in Indiana riding a specific bike with a friend riding a specific bike with damage. You literally just doxed yourself. Christopher George. Okay, we're gonna do a U-turn. Okay. Watch out for, oh, gravel. Didn't anticipate the gravel. Look at that. Look at all that gravel on the side. Is to kind of go into here and then do a U-turn and go this way. That's our intention. So the hazards that we have to watch out for are anybody over here, right? Anybody from behind us. So any traffic coming this way. So when we're traveling, we got to look left, look right, and all that stuff. But the problem is we think like we're in a car, and we're not going to like fall over when we do stuff like this. We have to now watch out for gravel too. So part of looking for hazards and planning your ride is locating hazards, right? So what is a hazard? A road surface hazard is a hazard. The sun in your eyes is a hazard. Traveling or cars traveling from over there and then here is a hazard. So we aren't even looking at the hazard here. Okay, we have a hazard on the road. We have road surface hazards. So we're going to go up to here. And right now we're going to go ahead and look real quick. And what I like to do is I like to look here. And then I like to look here because I can't turn my head all the way backwards. I don't know about some of you guys, but I can't turn all the way backwards and look for the hazard that's back there. So I'm going to look for these two hazards first. And I already know my motorcycle skills are pretty good, especially for a U-turn. I don't need to really focus on the actual U-turn. I need to focus on the situational awareness and the hazard that are out to get me. So I'm looking here. Doesn't look like anybody's coming. Then I'm going to do this. I'm going to have my eyes go here. Look at this. 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 And then finally I can look over here. I'm constantly going from boom, or I'm sorry, from boom, 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 boom. I'm constantly doing something. Okay, I'm constantly trying to see what's going on here. Oh, wrong button. Let's get the pen off. So when you do that, you can see that there's nobody here. Good. Now, where am I going? That is going to be an issue because this is my U-turn box. I want to make sure my U-turn box is good. So now I'm looking at all this. I'm looking at all this. Oh, it's good. Okay, cool. Oh, there's gravel in this area. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make a tighter U-turn. I'm going to try to avoid it. So you have to look at your road surface hazards. Went a little bit wide. See how you looked right? Because that's the biggest concern is traffic left and right. But we weren't looking down. We could have made a better turn. Now we're looking right. No cars. But we didn't even see that there was a road surface hazard on the ground, which is going to be a gravel. It's going to have a traction loss. And I just hope he's okay. Quick shout out to Progressive for sponsoring this video. You see in the background, it's only going to take me about 3 minutes to get a quote. And that is what I want you guys to go do. Being a smart rider means that you are prepped and ready for anything. And crashing can be a real life possibility. So make sure you have some insurance so you can take care of your bike, take care of anything else, maybe even take care of yourself. Go ahead and get a quote. Super easy. Use the link in the description. Let's get going. Rusty Neons. Having a fun time with our buddies on Groms and Z125s and maybe some souped up ruckuses. All over the place. It looks like somebody crashed because we see some headlights pointing towards us. So are we going to rescue them? Do you have your kit with you? Do stunt riders carry a kit? Do big group rides carry a kit? I don't think anybody really carries a kit except for me and the crew. So make sure you guys carry a kit. Make sure you guys get the training. So I don't know exactly what happened. Motostars, use a different song, please. All right, so my best guess is somebody was doing a wheelie. Look up at there. See the sparks? So why do we have sparks? Going a little too far back. Bloop. Whew. So ride addiction, having some fun over here. Oh, there's a corner coming up. Did you see that? Find the escape. Find the escape. Good job. He didn't hit the big boulder. That would have been painful.
Non, ça va.
That would have been painful.
Il y a strictement rien. Ça va. Je suis sûr que j'ai rien cassé. Moi, ça va. Je suis planté dans l'herbe. J'ai eu peur de finir là-dedans, par contre. Et ça, c'était moins une. J'avoue.
We're going through here. Can you tell there's a turn coming up? Nope. So what is it that we typically see on turns that are pretty sharp and then signs and stuff? Chevrons. So we should be looking for chevrons. There's no chevrons here. So how do we navigate this disappearing road when we're riding? The road disappears a little bit. You could see grass on the other side. So what's happening here? So if I see grass right there, that's straight ahead. That's over there. Let me check real quick. Yeah, it's grass. It's grass. So that means the road disappears. It means it turns. So that's how you can navigate these things without signage. But how are you going to see that? You have to be going slow enough to be able to see it. Because right now, trying to slow down, going too fast. Total stopping distance is no buenos. Locked up that rear tire. And it's like, oh crap. But thankfully, he found an escape path. Okay. So prior to it, I mean, just look, it disappears. We should have been slowing down.
Ouais, bah là, tu vois. Non, ça va, je rigole parce qu'il y a rien.
I'm just glad he's fine. That's good.
Ça va. Je suis sûr que j'ai rien cassé. Moi, ça va. Je suis planté dans l'herbe. J'ai eu peur de finir là-dedans, par contre. Et ça, c'était moins une. J'avoue.
All right. Motorcycle versus crazy drivers. Good line of sight. You see this? Watch out for this vehicle. Good job adjusting. We are working with 5 frames per second here, guys. It's okay. This was sent in by snail mail. And it had absolutely nothing. What was this? Did he get freaked out? Let's see. So merger. So he started going a little bit to our lane. Scared us, but look, he's back in his lane, so maybe he saw him. We freaked out. We went all the way to the right. Now, why did that vehicle kind of want to sneak into our lane? Take a look at that big long line. We talk about this all the time. Big long line. Our lane is moving. What would you want to do if you're these vehicles? You'd want to get into our lane. So we need to understand that and move over. So he did a good job, though. Did a good job. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.